My sprinkles, when you realize that if you comment on people's channel and your comment is not being showed, or you realize that your favorite YouTubers, their channels are not being shown to you even when they post, or you realize that in your channel the number of views you averagely get, you're no longer getting it, and it feels like YouTube is not recommending your videos or your content to your subscribers or to new people. When you check your YouTube studio, it is not a coincidence, you have been shadow banned. Do not panic. Do not panic at all. I have solutions for you. There are other reasons I will share in this video that can cause you to be shadow banned, and also in this video I will share how to fix that shadow ban issue. All you have to do for me is to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any information I am going to share. You will learn how to fix shadow ban issue, and whenever you have shadow ban issue you can fix it. Okay, hi my sprinkles, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload everything on YouTube improvement tip and how-to videos. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing this face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. In today's video, I will be talking about how to fix shadow ban issues and the causes of shadow ban issues. Just keep on watching to learn, okay? Now let's dive into how a channel can be shadow banned, or the causes that will make a channel to be shadow banned by YouTube. Okay, my sprinkles, the first one on my list is breaking YouTube community guideline. I know you agree with me that there are consequences for every disobedient action. Yes, even on YouTube, every disobedient action against the community guidelines, there are consequences that will follow suit. Know that first. If you know that you're always commenting on people's channel comment section, commenting irrelevant words or messages, or saying irrelevant things that doesn't match the video, you're going to be shadow banned. If you say that, Donna, what kind of comment that can cause somebody to be shadow banned? Comment like sub for sub, unite for unite, watch my video, let me watch yours. All those kind of comments, or just writing words that doesn't match the video, you're going to be shadow banned by YouTube. YouTube will start taking note of your email address, or will start taking note of you because you are triggering it. So it will start taking note of you, and if you continue like this, you'll be shadow banned. Especially if your email has a YouTube channel on it, you'll be shadow banned. And also, if you are commenting too fast on people's comment section, if you're not spacing out your words, if you comment now, then you go back, you comment again, comment again, comment again. Why are you commenting like that in the first place? You're triggering the computer box to be looking at your email address, to be watching what is this, what is going on. Is it not okay for you just to comment one time? If you keep on going, or you're typing too fast because you want to write an episode, calm down, because you are triggering that computer box to start chasing you up and down, which is not good in the long run for your channel. Okay, my sprinkles, the second point on my list is that when you are using keyword or hashtags that are not related to the video you want to post, you can be shadow banned because you're triggering the computer box. Also, in the place of not using the keyword or hashtag that is relevant to the channel or that match the video, is not to overuse your keyword and hashtag. In your description box, don't overuse keywords and hashtags. That is it. And note that there's a place where YouTube has assigned tags. That place is called tags, and you can use lots of keywords as you like, or hashtags as you like, but know when to stop. Don't gotta be using like 10 to 20 hashtags. Why now? Just know when to reduce it. Now the goal is to use relevant keywords and hashtags, and don't use so much of it. 1 to 5 is recommended by me, or do whatever your mind says you should do, but 1 to 5 hashtags is okay for your description and for your tags too. Too much of it can trigger the computer bot it can trigger YouTube to flag that video for shadow banned, or flag your channel in general for shadow banned, which we don't want. So reduce the amount of keyword or hashtag you use in your video, or in your video description box, or in the tags. Then also use related keyword and hashtag. You understand? Okay, let's move to the last one. The final course I have on my list that can make your channel or your video to be shadow banned is if you have received copyright strike or warning before. Yes, I know YouTube will say, oh, we issue you a copyright strike, this is a warning, because you don't know. Yes, but that warning comes with a price. You'll be shadow banned for some time before you'll be released. Okay, and if you know that you're always using people's videos, people's stickers, using stickers from TikTok, using stickers from Instagram, using video from Instagram, using copyrighted song, at this point you need to reduce it, because those things can trigger shadow banned issues for you. Okay, if you're always having copyright strike or copyright issues, please fix it, because too much of it can get your channel deleted, because YouTube will say this person is so stubborn to be on YouTube, the person needs to go. Okay, and you don't want that. You don't want your suffering to be in vain. Anything that will make your channel have copyright issues or copyright strike, try your best, to avoid it, because copyright issues, even after you've dealt with it and you've removed it from your channel, and they'll tell you it doesn't have any harmful impact on your channel, please, you might be given a slight shadow ban. Try your best to avoid having copyright issue or copyright strike on your YouTube channel. Okay, sprinkles, now we are at the stage of how to fix a shadow ban, or how to avoid the shadow ban issue you're already experiencing. First on my list is that you have to delete that video. I'm so sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but you have to delete that video. And if you say you cannot delete the video, maybe it has lots of views and it brought to you lots of subscribers, what you can do also is that you can unlist the video or private the video for some time, like let me say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You can unlist the video or private the video for that amount of time. Then when you feel that your channel has come back to normalcy, then you can now make the video public again. Okay, just to make your channel up and running, just unlist that video first and keep on watching how your channel goes. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, my sprinkles, the second way to fix a shadow ban issue that is already on your channel, or how to fix shadow ban issue, is you can give your YouTube channel a vacation break, or you can go for a vacation break, because at this point you need it. I am not saying you should stop posting or stop uploading videos. What you have to do is that at this point you reduce the amount of videos you are posting on your channel. If you're the type that posts 2 to 3 videos on your channel, at this point reduce it to once in a week video on your channel. And if you're the type that posts lots of shorts, reduce it to 1 short or 1 long form content. Or if you're the type that posts the 2 at the same time, just reduce it to 1 long form content and leave the short form alone first. Okay, or if you can also post only shorts and leave the long form content. But to me, when your channel is about giving value, I think long form content is more important than short form content, because long form content that gets you monetized. So you have to be serious with your long form content. At this point, just let short form content go on vacation break first. Then you can post on your YouTube channel once in a week. If you have been posting more than once in a week, you can post once in a week and let it breathe. Okay, or once in 2 weeks and let it breathe. You know YouTube don't like it when you go on a vacation break and when you don't post at all on YouTube. It gets YouTube jealous, because it will think that you're posting on other social media platform and you're not posting on theirs. So it will make YouTube get angry, and we don't want that. Just post once, so it will make YouTube not, oh, this guy is staying here, or this guy is staying here. Someone like me, I post once every week. okay, or you can post once 2 weeks, so it will make YouTube know that, oh, somebody is still here, somebody is still running the channel. Just don't go on the don't say, oh, Donna say I should go on vacation break, and you fly. You leave your channel and you are flying. You say, oh, let me leave this channel to rest, shebi that shadow ban me. Donna say I should go on vacation break. Donna did not say you should abandon your channel and go on vacation break. Oh, Donna said you should reduce the amount of posting, okay? And also, mind you, when you post like this, it will give YouTube time to work on your channel. You are posting, YouTube notice you that you didn't abandon the channel, so it will have time to work on your channel. Because any video you post, it will trigger YouTube that, oh, something is here, okay? So it will give YouTube time to work on your channel. My sprinkles, the third way you can fix your shadow ban issue is if you contact the YouTube support system or their support program. This point is only for those that have been monetized. Those are the people that had advantage for this point. When you're monetized, that's when YouTube give you the option to chat with their support system. And now the other points I have is for those that have not been monetized. You can add this last point to the other points I told you about. You can chat them and tell them that you feel your channel has been shadow banned. They should look into it, which they do look into it, because most times you speak to a human being, not a computer. Okay, you give them reasons, they will look into your channel and they will sort it out for you. Okay, my sprinkles, my point is that shadow ban issues can be fixed. It's not a death sentence for your channel. It will only take time. That is if you're doing the wrong thing and doing the right thing together. It will take time. But if you're doing the right thing, it will not take much time. Your shadow ban issue will be fixed. The first and important step of shadow ban issue is to acknowledge the fact, or to know the fact that you are being shadow banned. That is the first important step, and then following it up with ways to get it solved or fixed. All I want you to do is to do everything in your possible best to have an healthy channel, because shadow ban comes in levels by levels. Some comes and stay for months, some stays for weeks, while some stays for years, while some you cannot even resolve it. Those kind of shadow ban issues that cannot be fixed, that have been lingering for years, can lead your channel to be blacklisted by YouTube or to be deleted, because it's going to even frustrate you, because you'll be putting in your best, the channel is not producing results. It's either you delete the channel, or YouTube deletes the channel, or blacklist it, or you open a new one to start afresh. Now, if you want me to film a video on how to know your channel has been shadow banned, I can do that for you. This is a practical way to check and see that if your channel is shadow banned. I can do it for you. My sprinkles, this is the end of this video, and I know you've learned something from this video. At least you've learned to know the symptom of shadow ban, that is if you're experiencing any, and you have known how to help your channel to go out from shadow ban issue. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe and turn on your bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. And also, don't forget to give this video a huge like if you find it very, very helpful. If you have a video request for me, please leave it in the comment section. Please share my videos so it can get to other people and people will learn, and it also help my channel to grow. I want you all to stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you all.